could it be?
Buttons. I love buttons.
That has given me a mega monster idea! Check me out, I'm a monster button!
Yep, but you're a bit too big a button to put on our monster make.
You're right. Normal size buttons are much better to make a brilliant box robot. It can even help us tidy up all the recycling.
As well as these buttons, we'll need cardboard boxes and tubes, a round box, paper cups, card, stickers, a paper straw, and paint.
Let's start with the robot's body and legs. We're gonna need to sticky stick stick.
Use as much glue as you need.
Hey, 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 hey!
Now for the head and arms.
I love sticking.
Me too. What do you think, Murphy?
It can't be a robot without a robot-y control panel on its tummy. Here you go.
Nice one, Murphy. This round box will do perfectly.
Now, our brilliant box robot needs some painty paint.
Good choice of colours, Murphy.
Thanks, Rebecca.
Looking good. It just needs to dry now.
And while we wait, we can do some robot moves.
What do you think, Murphy?
I reckon we've got some robot moves.
Well, let's get moving and decorate this robot.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
They've used the buttons to decorate our brilliant box robot. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
Now all we have to do is pop a strip of card on for the mouth, a bent straw for the antennas,
And stickers for the eyes and mouth. Looking good.
our brilliant box robot is finished.